Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're taking you out to Callahan for the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. We got there, we got unloaded, we got set up, we got started, and it started lightning and thunder, and it's getting ready to storm. So we had to cut it short and wrap it up. The cruise in got canceled. So, we got a little bit of footage here. We got our lid cam video going. We got to see a little bit of it, but hey, you can't fight the weather. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out to the shows. We're going to keep doing our thing. We're going to keep, just bringing you the best content we can. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to Callahan for the car show. Let's rev it up for them hot rods! Lightning has been detected. No we can see it. That means they didn't do it right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, how y'all doing? There's lightning in the area. I know we had this scheduled as an event to raise money. If you want to donate any money, we're going to push off the raffles and all to next month. But we're trying to look for some cash today to try to get the family. He is in the hospital, not doing good. They're putting him on a colostomy bag. There's things going on. The family is right here. The money will go right here to the family, not me. I don't touch money. Y'all know I never touch money. I'm not a money guy. I just touch myself. That's right. This is the family. We got the daughter. If you want to come and donate, it don't matter if it's $1. Please come and help out. Anything helps. Next month we're going to push the raffles. We got a truck full of raffles. But we don't want to get everything pushed out tonight and start storming and this and that. We just want to make sure that
I'm gonna run over here and get the rest of the pictures.
if you got a chance to donate any cash tonight, it don't matter if it's $1. Like I said, we just want to make sure this family is able to take a little bit of money home. We're going to do all the raffles, and we're going to schedule it again next month. I'm going into Hardee's here in a few minutes, and I will remake the event for next month. And I want to make sure that we push it hard. I need all my diehards cheering it. I need everybody pushing it to the limit. We got a lot of amazing groups here, like the Memorial Day Run crew. It's amazing work here in Nassau County. We got a lot of amazing cruisers here, like Steve Wilson. We got a lot of amazing people like so many people here that have got love in their heart. Go on, God Almighty. I'm telling you, we got so many good people. And it takes all of them. We can't do it by ourselves. And it's not exactly what it was.
Walk around and see what we're going to do.
Alright everybody, that's all for this video from the Callahan Cruisers Monthly Cruise In. Unfortunately, you can't fight the weather. So it is what it is. We did at least get a little bit of something in, but it wasn't enough. It was dangerous. Lightning was popping everywhere, so we had to cancel. We did at least get started, got some cars that showed up, and we got some pictures and some videos, so we did at least get a little something out of it, even if we didn't get the full effect of the full show and everything. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed whatever little bit of video we had. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're at 383 subscribers. Hey, cool, 383. And we're trying to climb up to 500. We're just, you know, little by little, we're getting there. We're crawling up the ladder. But we will eventually get there. And then, you know, the next goal is going to be 1,000. But we got to get that 500 first. So we're doing our best. We're trying to bring you new stuff. We're trying to put out as much as we can, as fast as we can. But it's been difficult. So I hope you guys will bear with me. I'm doing my best here. I'm a one-man operation most of the time. So anyway, that's really all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we'll see you guys at the next car show whenever and wherever it may be.